Bibimbap is a bowl of rice topped with meat and vegetables and will not be completed without an egg on top of it and the sauce. The meat that is usually used on this dish is bulgogi, but on this episode, we will use different meat and some veggies you never thought possible but surely complement the whole meal. Let's get started! First, toge or bean sprouts. We will cook it on our boiling water, add salt or seasonings, wait for a minute or two, then okay na yun. Since we don't have lettuce, we will use napa cabbage instead. Itabi mo muna sa container after slicing. We will do the same thing with onion leeks. With carrots, we will cut it in julienne. And we will only use half of cucumber. Just cut it like this. Red pepper can give more life to our bibimbap because of its color and distinct taste. I have never seen bibimbap with broccoli, but I know nothing can go wrong if we will add this on our plate. Plus, broccoli contains a lot of nutrients others can't offer. Alright, we will cook this for. Stir fry lang natin quickly to ensure color and crisp are still there. Add some seasonings, then all good. For the broccoli, we will add 1 clove of garlic para mas aromatic. Okay, look at this. Can you see these thorns? This is different on what you normally see in the market. Wala akong mabilhan eh. Gladly, I saw them sa may bakanting playground in UP Bliss. Lucky me. Nakatipid pa ako. This is edible, guys. It's called kalunay in Ilocos and Chinese spinach in English. Tingnan nyo din. Baka meron yan sa likod bahay nyo. Alam mo ba tong damong to? Tell me your kalunay story. Comment down below. Take note. Tanggalin po muna lahat ng tinika. Then we will just boil it. Pwede ring blanch. Okay na yun. This is another fun part. Please welcome our special guest, Galunggong. Put it in your boiling water with star anise, pepper and vinegar. This helps reduce sliminess of the fish. Nice! Who thought of adding GJ in bibimbap other than me? Comment down below. Time to make our special gochujang sauce. 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, vinegar, minced garlic, chili oil or sesame oil if available, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can double the combination lalo pag mahilig ka din sa sauce like me. Everything is set. Let's make our first bibimbap. This is just easy to make. Tap your veggies sa gilid ng bowl. Arrange them in alternate color para mas maganda tignan. Or, do it any way you want. Top our easy and nice sunny side up egg. Of course, our chunky corn tuna. Alternative with bulgogi. Top our sauce. Then our sesame seeds. Voila! And for our main event, debone our Gigi. Once done, same thing we did in our first batch. Top and arrange your veggies. Add our hinimay na Gigi. We will also add chunky corn tuna. Enough amount lang kasi manghang yun. For the egg, I did it differently din. I break the egg yolk to make it toasted sunny side up. Then our sesame seeds. Top our sauce. And another voila! And that's it for our bibimbap with touch of Filipino dish. With our bibimbap with corn tuna and galunggong, you will not only satisfy your cravings for bibimbap, but you will also receive a lot of nutrients which is good to start your day.